What's the YouTube? It's A-Butch360 back at it again on another video, man. What's going on with y'all today, man? What's going on? It's A-Butch360. Today's video is going to be about how to close your crown. You feel me? As you can see in the before picture and the after picture, my crown has been closing up, and I've been working on it pace by pace. Everybody in the comments be like, work on your crown, work on your crown. I work on my hair how I want to work on my hair. I work on my hair in steps. I'm not going to jump on working the crown when I need to work on my connections. I'm not going to work on my crown when I know my left side is super weak. The crown is the most, like, I want to say the hardest part. Because connections, you get connections. All you have to do is brush. A crown, you really have to take your time, use a certain brush, certain comb to really dig in that crown. Some people don't know which way to brush their crown, comb their crown. Some people don't know where to start. Some people don't even know where their crown is. So it's like today's video, I'm going to just show you how progress my crown had got from you see that before and after picture, because I used to have that line. And I used to be like, dang, like I got a line, like where's my crown? Because you don't know what end you want to start. You don't know what you want to start at that end or the back end. So with that being said, man, I'm going to come out the rag. And hopefully y'all come out the rag too and brush on me. You already know I like when y'all brush on me. I like when y'all interact when I interact. You feel me? If you watching this video, smash the like button. Comment below. Turn post notifications on so you be the first ones to be alert when Butch360 drops. You feel me? Let's come out the rag. Let's come out the rag. Let's come out the rag. I need to brush my hair, don't mind it. But I'm going to start off with a comb session first. So, I know my hair, it's a little messed up right now. But I'm going to show y'all right now how progress my crown is. Right now, it looks a little wild up. A little wild up. But I'm going to show y'all how progressed I came a long way. A long way. Y'all know that to those that have been rocking with me. And I'm not even going to say my real supporters. I'm just say those that just been rocking with me before others. You feel me? So I gain new subscribers each video. So some people might have just started watching me. Some people been watching me. So let me know if you've been watching Butch360. Comment gang. Comment gang if you've been watching me. If you've been watching me, comment gang. I need to see where the real supporters at. Where the real ones at that been watching me. I've been watching me, man. I gotta see. I want to see who. I'm still working on this giveaway. I'm trying to see what else I'm gonna give away. So y'all just be patient with me, because I want to give something back to y'all, especially those that have been supporting me. You feel me? Make sure you smash it. Make sure this gets 100+ likes. Make sure you smash it. If you watching this video, like it. Why not? Like, you just gonna watch it and just not support me? If you support me and you see I'm doing something right for the community, give it a like. Like, that's like me watching a YouTube video and I'm like, man, he's doing something right. He's doing something good. And all he's asking for is 100 likes. I'm gonna help him out and give him that extra thumb. You feel me? I don't have to know him. If I feel that he's doing something right and I'm watching and I like what he's doing, I'm gonna give it a like. And I'm gonna give it a comment. And if I really like it, I'm gonna subscribe to him and watch his videos. And I do it on a daily. Some of y'all don't even know. I watch y'all. I watch other wayward upcoming YouTube channels. I watch y'all, especially those that comment. I'll click your name and be like, oh, he's a waver too, and I'll watch and I'll subscribe. You feel me? Because at the end of the day, you don't know who's watching. So you want to go hard and you want to give it your all. End of the day, you don't know who's watching. Work on that crown. Let's close it up. I've been working on my crown real good with this comb. Like, I've been really getting it in there. It really just been like just getting it in. You feel me? I love combing. That's the first thing I do when I wake up. All my sessions, I grab the comb first. I grab the comb because the combing is like, it's like one of the most important things to weigh. It helps with forks. It helps with a lot of stuff. Ooh. Then it feels, then it feels good when you comb it. Cause the combing, you can get deep in your crown. Like certain brushes, you can't get like flat brushes. I don't think straight brushes or flat brushes. I don't think you can really work on your crown as much because it's gonna be hard. You're gonna affect your hair. You feel me? What I mean by that, if you're trying to work on your crown, you're gonna hit all these other spots, unnecessary spots that you don't need to hit. So that's why the comb, you angle it. Then it got the teeth to pull certain hairs, and it got the size of the teeth. So it's like, I don't know. I like combing. Combing is wonderful. Combing is wonderful. Work on that crown. Work on that crown. Work on the angles. For sure. You want to grab your Bucci 360 brush if you have one. Then you want to grab your Bucci 360 brush. And then you want to order your Bucci 360 brush if you have one. If you don't, that's okay. That's okay. You can hit the link below right now and order yours right now. You feel me? If you really support me, a young black entrepreneur, somebody that's doing something right, order your Bucci 360 brush right now. And it's a beautiful brush. I'm not just saying it because it got my name on it because I came out with it. This brush is actually beautiful. It's the only brush I've been seeing me use lately. It's the Bucci 360 brush. Then you want to grab it and you want to, I start off brushing the front first. Then I'm gonna hit the crown with y'all. I'm gonna hit the crown with y'all right now. I'm gonna hit the crown with y'all right now. Don't worry about it. But y'all see how it's closed. My crown is closing. It done got way better if y'all been watching my videos. If y'all really been watching my videos, my crown got way better. Way better. Just want to work on it, on the edge of it. Just work on the crown. You want to work on it nice and slow. You don't want to never rush your crown. You don't never want to rush the progress. Never rush it. Never rush it. I know when I'm working on my crown little by little. I'm not in a rush to be elite. I'm not in a rush to be better than nobody. The only person I'm competing with is myself. Bucci 360, that's the only person I'm competing with, is me. Everybody else, I'm not competing with y'all. I'm on my own time. I'm on my own everything. I'm not worried about y'all. I'm not. I'm just not. In my own lane, minding my own business. You feel me? But as you can see, my crown, it's pretty much closing up. It's pretty much closing up. You see that shine on the waves? Like, look how it, look how it hit. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. It is beautiful. You feel me? And that's all you gotta do is really press and really get deep in your crown with the comb. Really dig deep in it. You feel me? I'm working on my crown at my own pace. I understand that. I need to work on my crown. I understand that. I understand y'all telling me that. But I'm going at my own pace. I'm working on my connections. I'm trying to break certain forks. The crown, I'm working on it little by little. Don't just think I'm not working at it at all. I'm working on it little by little. Little by little. As y'all can see in the before picture and the after picture, I've been closing it. I've been doing a perfect job. Now I can see if I haven't been working on it and my crown's just getting just terrible. Each video, my crown gets better and better and better. You feel me? But I'm gonna add some of this oil in here because it's time to put some oil on my head. It's time to put some oil in my head. Add some of this. I just started using it. Just started using it. So I'm gonna add a little bit for y'all right now. Don't trip. Little drops of oil. I just started using it, so I'm gonna use that oil and my Butcher 360 brush for like a month straight, and we gonna see in the comb, and we gonna see what's the progress looking like. Cause you gotta keep your hair healthy. I don't care what nobody say. You gotta keep your hair healthy, and if your hair is not healthy, you're not healthy. That's all I'm gonna say. If your hair is not healthy, you're not healthy. Throw some of that oil in there. Let's close that crown up. Woo. Now you wanna brush it in. You see how that shine hit now? Ooh, that's getting deep. That's starting to get too deep. Let me end this video now before a tsunami come hit California and I go to jail for the rest of my life. Let me end this video right now because my waves. Yeah, let me end it. Stop being 7 minutes. Hey, Booster 60. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you can be the first ones to get my videos when I first upload. Comment below. And man, this Booster 60 gang, we out.